This shampoo moisturizes and helps to repair damaged hair. It totally smooth, shiny, defrizzed hair. This shampoo provides a refreshing and cleansing experience. Benefits. TIGI Bedhead Fully Loaded Massive Volume Shampoo for fine hair that needs a volume boost. A volumizing shampoo that adds body and volume to any hair length. Employs volume memory, which means that if your style starts to drop, you can push hair back up to recreate the volume. The uploader technology deposits an active volumizing ingredient onto the hair, giving instant hair volume you can see and feel. Color-safe shampoo with a full-blown berry fragrance. Complete the look with fully loaded volumizing conditioning jelly and control-freak Frizz Control Straightening Serum. This massive volume shampoo is TIGI's most advanced volume shampoo ever. The shampoo releases its innovative technology to give volume you can see and feel. Top reviews from the United States. Best shampoo in the universe. Love what it does for my limp, thin hair. I've been using Bedhead products for about 30 years. I used Epic Volume before it morphed into Fully Loaded.